If you need more leads next month to keep your business afloat, SEO is not gonna be your answer. And if someone told you that it is, they're either really confused or really lying. That doesn't mean SEO doesn't actually work. It means most real estate agents are being sold the wrong promise. Now, most top agents I talk to already know how to generate business. They're not beginners, they're just tired of the treadmill. You turn on the ads, you go door to door, leads come in, turn that off, and everything goes quiet. So naturally, SEO sounds attractive. Free traffic, evergreen leads, rank once, benefit forever. But here's the truth no agency leads with. SEO does not replace paid leads in the short term. It replaces dependency in the long term. I like to say paid ads are like renting traffic. You pay rent, you stay visible. You stop paying, you're out. SEO is a little bit different. SEO is buying the land. You don't buy land expecting cash flow next month. You buy it because 5 years from now, it changes your net worth. That's how SEO actually works for real estate teams. If an agency is promising you that you're gonna be getting listings and leads and clients next month from SEO, they're skipping the hard part. Authority, trust, local relevance. Google doesn't rank effort. It ranks credibility. Think about how you built your business offline. You didn't close your first deal and suddenly dominate Oakville. You earn trust, deal by deal, referral by referral. SEO works the same way. First, your brand shows up more. Then people click. Then they stay longer. Then Google trusts you more. Then, and only then, do the leads start to compound month after month. That's why teams who rely on ads feel pressure every month, and teams who invest in SEO feel calmer every year. So SEO won't save a business that needs oxygen right now. Ads will do that, but SEO will save you from needing ads forever. In the next video, I will show you why most real estate CEO looks busy with blogs, keywords, reports, but still produces nothing. Traffic is not the goal, authority is. And if you want to see how we measure the authority properly, grab the SEO scorecard below. It's how the team leaders oversee SEO without actually becoming SEO experts.